Good morning, Scots. I hope you had a great spring break. I'm Christian.
Welcome back, Scots Weekly. I'm Karen Santana.
Let's get into some announcements for today.
Attention all seniors. Beginning April 1st, finance office transactions must be made with cash, credit, or money. No checks will be accepted.
Hey esports fans, the team from Highland are fundraising for esports shirts, jerseys for next year, gaming keyboards, and have to have an end-of-the-year celebratory event for the team. Each participant has a monetary goal. Please consider donating or sharing via social media so that they may reach it. The esports fundraising campaign is using the vertical raise platform. It goes from now all the way until April 14th. You could help by scanning the QR code on the screen right now. Remember, deodorant is not allowed.
Did you know the 60-second show is on Instagram and TikTok? You can get the episode early and participate challenge to help your teachers win. Follow the 60-second show on Instagram and TikTok.
It's time for a commercial break.
Is your favorite period?
I can't answer.
Nope, you have to answer.
It's just saying I'll see you for my round 2 interview.
Who's your favorite actor?
Jason Momoa.
How do you rate your experience at Highland?
10 out of 10.
Ricky has a weather report for the week.
Hey Scots, let's talk about the weather. Today, as you can probably feel, 70 degrees, mostly cloudy. Tomorrow is going to be 67 degrees, partly cloudy. Friday is going to be 80 degrees, a little bit hotter, and it's going to be sunny. Saturday is going to be 81, also sunny. And then Sunday is going to be 73, cloudy.
Thank you, Ricky.
That's it for today, Scots.
Remember to plat up.
Have a great day, everyone.